Very warm welcome to all the students of class 8. Today we are going to study English to grammar and the topic is preposition. Now let us begin with our topic. Prepositions. Preposition tells us the position of something in relation to another. See what preposition shows us that there is a relation of something to another. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. See, the prepositions is a word and they are placed before what noun or a pronoun. What to show its relation with something else which is there in the sentence. Prepositions are words with many uses. They are used to show how people or things relate to one another. See, these prepositions are there. No, they have many uses in them, and how they what they shows how the people or things that are related to one another. Prepositions are used to convey ideas like time, position, movement, cause or purpose, ways of doing something. See, they shows us to convey the ideas of the following. Let us read them. Time, that is after, during, since, on, at, before. See, when we use the time, we use a preposition. All these preposition after, during, since, on, at, before. And when we use the preposition of position, any position if they are showing, so which preposition we use? They are around, at, behind, in, below, above. And for the movement we use the preposition, they are over, through, towards, into. And for any cause or purpose is being said in the sentence, so which preposition will use? That is because of, or that is for. Way of doing something. See, something it is being done, that the preposition we use is by, with. See, we have to remember which preposition go with certain nouns, noun phrase, adjective or verbs. See, in this example it is being showed how their preposition goes with noun, noun phrase, adjective or verb. First sentence, and that is noun plus preposition is there in this sentence. The reason for their sudden departure is not known. Your reason is a noun, for is a preposition. Second one, my mother is kind to her workers. Here, kind is the adjective and to is a preposition, that is adjective plus preposition. It is shown in the sentence. The third one, verb plus preposition. The sentence is, I stopped at the bookstall to buy a book. Here, stop is a verb and at is a preposition. See, in this sentence, you can see that some are with the noun and the preposition, some is with the adjective and the preposition, and then the verb and the preposition. The next is verb plus preposition plus noun or pronoun. In the first sentence, we'll see with the noun. Sumit agreed to my proposal. See, here agreed is a verb and then to is a preposition and proposal is a noun. See, in the next sentence, Sumit agreed with me and supported me. Agreed verb with preposition, me pronoun. See, here it is verb plus preposition plus pronoun in the second sentence, and in the first sentence we can see is a verb plus preposition plus noun. I believe in the importance of prayer. See, here in is a preposition. In the importance, what it is, the importance of is a noun phrase. The importance of, this is a noun phrase and prayer is a noun. Based on their uses in a sentence, the preposition are divided into categories of preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of moment. Now all these preposition we are going to study in detail. First is preposition of place. Preposition of place refer to those prepositions which can be used to show where something is located. See, in preposition of place, we can, what they shows where, what the thing is located for the place. See, this we can come to know through this example. See, in this preposition of place, they have showed all the preposition of place, and we can see through this picture. Now we will read the description that is given below the picture. I'll read the full description and tell you which are the preposition. The main street plaza is between the City Plaza and Hilton Hotel. There are some stalls beside the City Plaza, and beyond the stalls is a fountain. See, in this sentence, in this two sentence, between and beyond, they both are preposition. They shows the preposition of place. Right opposite the main street plaza is a Chinese restaurant. We cannot see what is inside the Chinese restaurant, but we can see a cat in front of the restaurant. There is also a pond which is full of fish. Two children are playing near the pond. See, in this para, it is opposite, inside, in front of, near. This all are the preposition of place. They indicates the place, the movement, that it shows us where it is, the place. The Hilton Hotel is at the corner of the Park Road and Broadway. There are birds flying above the hotel. A man is standing in front of the hotel. See, here the preposition of place are at, above, in front of. Now other example also will see some more example, that is of preposition of place. At the sea, by the sea, near the sea, below the sea. See, all these indicates us the preposition of place, where it is. Through this picture also you can see. A preposition of movement. See, now we'll see is a preposition of movement, that is used to show movement to from a place. It shows us the movement. Now we will see that the preposition of movement and direction. See, all this preposition tell us where someone or something is moving to. See, someone is moving up and down, coming inside or outside. These all thing is movement, or the direction also we will see. See, in all the pictures you can see, and I'll read the sentence for you. He is going up the stair. She is coming down the stairs. See, here up and down is a movement. She is coming into the room. She is going out of the room. Into, out of is also the preposition of movement. He is walking up the street. She is walking down the street. Here also you can see the movement, and the preposition used is up, down. There are few more examples. The boy is walking towards his mother. The boy is crawling away from his mother. Here, towards, away from is also the preposition of movement. He is going to the market. She is coming from the market. Here, to, from is also the preposition. She is sailing with the wind. He is rolling against the wind. Here, with, against is also the preposition of movement and direction. The boat is sailing up the river. The fish is swimming down the river. See, up, down. This is this shows us the position of the direction. See, it's a preposition up and down. They are throwing a ball to each other. To is a preposition. Deepa is jumping into the river. Joy is climbing out of the river. Here, into, out is a preposition of movement. He is walking across over a bridge. He jumps over the wall. They are throwing ball at each other. See, all in this picture you can see across, over, at. This all are the preposition of moment and direction. We walked along the street past the bakery. He runs across the road. The cars are going round the roundabout. He fell off the tree onto the ground. The cars are going through the tunnel. There is a dog among the sheep. See here, you can see in the picture, and the preposition they are highlighted with a red color. See, all these are the preposition: past, across, around, off, through, among. Now we will see is the preposition of time. Preposition of time helps to link the noun or pronoun with a time value. See, in the preposition of time, they are linked with what noun or a pronoun, and they are linked with a time. It functions as indicator as to what point of time did an event occur. See, it tells us at what point of time did any specific event occur. See, now we will see is the preposition of time. The specific time is shown by what? At, on, in. See, we use the preposition which at, on, in. First of all, we'll see of at. The show will start at 8 o'clock. The holidays will begin at Christmas. The program will start at night. At the same time, your at is a preposition of time. Now we'll see is the on. It refers to a specific day. See, on is referred to a specific day when we talk about a specific day or a month. See, on December 25th, on Monday. Now next is in. In refers to period of time. That is in 2008, in summer, in an hour. See, where in is used to a specific period that refer to a period of time. Which period of time we are talking about? In summer, in an hour, in 2008. See one thing is being noted over here. We have to note, we say at Christmas, but on Christmas Day. See, the first refers to the holiday. See, at Christmas, that is for the holiday. The holidays will begin at Christmas. That we use at. But the second phrase refers to the day itself, on Christmas Day. When we talk in the particular day, Christmas Day, that will be on Christmas Day. Duration of time is shown by before, after, by, since, till, or until, up to. See, this duration of time we can, it is being shown by this also: before, after, by, since, till, until, up to. See, let us see with the example. Before 2 p.m., after Christmas, by Tuesday, since 1955, till or until January, up to Monday morning. See, all are the examples where we can use this prepositions. The third is preposition of time over a specific length of time. See, when we use this preposition when there is a specific length of time, that is between, for, during, from, to. See, let us see all this in the example. We were in Kolkata for or during Durga Puja. You can use for or according to the sentence or during. We were in London for 20 days. For is a preposition of time. Between December 28th to 10th January. See here, between is used at a specific length of time, that is between 28th December to 10th January. We were in London from December 20th to January 10th. See here it is said we were in London from where? From December 28th to January 10th. See, all are the example through which we come to know that how we can use a preposition. And preposition of time, that is also used for a specific length of time, and we use that preposition which are between, for, during, from, to. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.